Hi guys, welcome to this quick review about this fantastic LFS Bluetooth speaker. It has 15 watts. Doesn't sound too impressive, but it definitely is. I would say it's the best Bluetooth speaker in this size, of this power, which I've ever tested here. It has a great sound with openings here from the bottom and here also from the top. We have different light settings. We can use it to play from Bluetooth, let's say from your phone or from micro SD card, or also use the line in. And it has even a built-in microphone, so we can even use it to make phone calls. And it's IPX67 waterproof, so it ticks all the boxes, everything what we need. We can even connect two of them using the TWS technology and then have fantastic stereo sound. So stay tuned till the very end of the video. I'm going to show you everything. So here we have the box with some description, and so let's take it out and see what we get. Nicely protected, very beautiful. Definitely comes with this line 3.5mm cable. Then standard USB-C charging cable is what we want to see. And then the instructions manual. I hope you can see that if you have some questions. And so here we have this opening, this waterproof protection here. And we also have the port for the micro SD card, which is nicely protected, and also the line input. But of course, if you're using the line input, there will be no water protection anymore at this time. So we charge it here, we see the red light. And when it's fully charged, we remove the wire and then close it properly to have it waterproof. Again, it's really important. We see that it has also these 4 soft rubber feet, which provides a really safe stand, so it doesn't move at all. It comes even with this nice hand strap, so we can carry around. To connect to the phone, we have to long press here for 3 seconds, then it will turn on. Then we click on refresh to find available devices. We have this LFS-Color speaker pairing now. Then we give authorization.
Bluetooth connected.
Okay, it was super easy. And we see also the battery indicator here. And that's important because there's no battery indication here on the speaker. And so we can go to any kind of app and then play directly from here, like from YouTube in this case. And so I click here and we can hear that the sound is absolutely awesome. Yeah, absolutely fantastic bass sound, as good as it gets, I would say, from this size. I turn down the volume a little bit, so we can do that here on the phone, or we can do that here with the plus and the minus. You can see it's fully connected. We have also the possibility to go to the next track with long press, to previous track with long press. We can switch between different input methods like Bluetooth, line, or micro SD card. And here we have the multifunction button to take a call, reject the call, of course, turn on and turn off, and all these things. And the built-in microphone is really good. I've already pre-recorded that, so I can play that for you. LFS speaker microphone test 1 2 3 4 5. LFS speaker microphone test 1 2 3 4 5. And here we have the different light settings. You can see whenever I push, it will change. We can turn it completely off, or in the first setting it will like dance with the music. That's an absolutely fantastic, beautiful option. Or the steady pulsing mode in the second option. That's also really nice. So for this option we don't need any music. I can stop and you will see here that it keeps pulsing like that. So you could even use it as a really nice, beautiful night light. Absolutely awesome. Unfortunately, the camera is not able to catch the really nice, beautiful colors 1-to-1, but you can imagine how beautiful this is. Really nice, awesome sound, easy to use, great functions, and it has even this TWS function where you can buy 2 of them and then connect and have full stereo sound. Yes, let's hear it again because it was so nice. yeah, absolutely beautiful, fantastic, great sound, so I can give you full recommendation. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.